Hello, we welcome you to Teamcenter Visualization Mockup Training. We thank you for choosing our Teamcenter training program. We are very delighted to have you as part of our Teamcenter learning community. We are planning to offer more Teamcenter courses for you to learn and explore Siemens PLM Teamcenter solutions. Let's start Teamcenter Visualization training program. Teamcenter Visualization comes in 4 products: Base, Standard, Professional, and Mockup. Mockup is advanced version and covers more topics. So we choose to build our training program on Mockup, covering complete Teamcenter Visualization topics. Visualization is a Teamcenter application used to view and analyze design data and collaborate with teams to share ideas and work seamlessly through any approval or change management process. Teamcenter Visualization helps every team member to view 2D and 3D data in visualization application to gain better clarity and make faster decisions. Teamcenter Visualization can be accessed as a standalone application and also as an embedded viewer within Teamcenter application. In this course, we will learn how to view, measure, markup, modify, analyze, animate, validate, share, and generate reports on 3D models and 2D images, all in a single Teamcenter visualization environment. And each chapter is followed by hands-on activities or exercises which can help you to explore and practice working with Teamcenter visualization environment. If you have access to Teamcenter visualization software, I request you to please follow the activities and perform before you move to next chapter. Teamcenter solutions is all about practice. The more you practice, the better it will be for you. In this course, we will learn how to work with 3D models and 2D images in Teamcenter visualization environment. We will navigate and view 3D and 2D objects, explore 3D assemblies with part selection and part visibility. We will also transform, rotate, and scale parts. Apart from the above, we will also work on changing the part appearance, location, and orientation. And during this course, we will extensively work with annotations. It can be text, graphics, symbols, thrust lines, links, and many more. And then we will focus on analyzing 3D models with measurements, sectioning, comparison, clearance checks, and generating reports. We'll do similar things with 2D images, wherein we will be able to view, measure, and perform some markups on 2D images. Then we will focus on how to record and play animation motion files. And then we will be ending this course with focus on exclusive mockup features, which are hiding, obscuring parts and clip areas, generating part extraction paths, and clearance checks. As discussed, visualization is used to view, analyze, and collaborate. The visualization workflow is also very simple. It has simply 3 steps: accessing data, analyzing data, and collaborating with teams.
Interested to know details about Teamcenter PLM trainings? Please visit the website on your screen. Explore, learn, and become Teamcenter experts. Best of luck with your Teamcenter trainings.